So out of curiosity, I have torn the bottom off of my light bulb transformer, and it looks like it's in pretty bad condition, honestly. But I'm going to keep tearing it down because I'm really curious about this. Okay, now the entire mess is kind of falling apart in my hands. So first the transformer fell out, and then the entire thing crumbled. Yeah, it can go in the trash, I suppose. Yeah, it can. Now, I tested out the diode, this diode that I found, and it seemed to be broken. And it's not my meter because I tried out some other diodes that I had, and they were all in good shape. But this one seems to be broken, so, yeah, that's kind of a problem. Since I've already botched up the magnet wire pretty bad, I'm just gonna, cut it off and hope for the best with that. So I've cleaned up the transformer, and I've cut out the magnet wire, and this is what I'm left with. I might actually try to rewire this transformer soon, but, that's another video for another day. And the only other piece that I got out of it was this large capacitor. I think that's what it is. It looks like a microwave capacitor, but it's actually for light bulb ballast, and all this wire. So I'm just going to cut all the wire off and see if I can, salvage it and keep it. So yeah, that's basically my teardown video. Not too interesting, really, but it's kind of cool, so I'll post it anyway.